Whoo, it's warm in here. I know it's 82 in that one. And whoa. Crazy nice out. It's gonna be like this all week now. That's it. I've had enough. That little rascal was back and did some damage again. Look at the carrots even went in there. Had enough. Enough is enough. No more. I'm done. Man, he just did some damage. Look at this. Just digs everywhere. All the way down there even. Got another hole there. Dug all this up. Enough is enough. I just wish he would go in the trap. Look at that. Let's go up and take a better look. Man, that is a good sign. Spring. Just love hanging out with them things, working with them. They're so interesting. I learn so much every year too on them. Like we just learned that they can sting other bugs, and multiple times and they're okay, but they can't sting mammals because it gets stuck in there. Didn't know that, but that was pretty cool. The dead bees that were on the landing board there, they actually are cleaning out the hive, so it's whatever was dead on the inside. And I try to scrape out as much as I can on the bottom board, and then, you know, there's stragglers up top in between. But can't wait for this weekend because it's going to be in the 60s, and I'm going to open them up, take a look at them, and assess everything. Because I believe the maple's going to pop pretty soon with this weather we got coming. So if you're getting maple syrup, that stinks, but for me that's awesome because that's early pollen, so and the bees need that. Lunch break's over, back to work.
Where? No.
Eli's sitting on this box. What are you doing? They're driving remote control cars. Lydia's got this one. There's Eli's. Are you worried about it running you over?
You like this weather, Eli?
I think the snow's gone. Most of it.
They're all going there.
Still a little snow, but the chickens are loving being outside in the sunshine.
There's one egg gate. You get a face so Eli and we can pet it. Then you need to wash your hands good in the house.
No, let's leave it alone. Oh, they didn't peck it, Evan. They just leaned on it or something.
Are you counting them?
No.
How are you going to know how many there are?
We don't need to know. There's more than a dozen, I just know.
I think you're right. I think the chickens like the weather.
Look at all the eggs.
I can't believe this is a lot of eggs. What?
I'm in here.
Oh, you can stay in there.
What are you doing in there?
Dumping everything out and then me walk me out.
It's warm in there.
Evan, you stand right there. Nope, go that way now, Evan. There you go, stop. Turn around. Now wait for Leroy.
Evan, move by that hole in the dirt.
As Leroy comes on the corner, Evan, you walk towards Mom. Walk down towards Mom. Leroy, slow down. Come on, Evan. You guys gotta walk together. Make like an imaginary line. Don't let him go that way. Come on, Evan. Keep putting pressure. There you go. Squat down a little bit so they can't get past you. Slow down, slow down, slow down. See?
Hi, Evan.
Herding the chickens in. Good job, boys. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Oh, it's all bad.
What?
We have to dump it, it's bad. I think next year we'll have to do a little different. I was told to tap it lower, and I gotta use a smaller drill bit because this one, I used the one they said, but it's like it's too loose. Not tight enough. So it's cloudy, so this is all bad, which isn't, it wouldn't be enough to get any syrup out of, which is a bummer. So, and they say whenever it gets above 40 degrees for a couple of days, you should be pulling them daily and keep it in the fridge. So I think it must have been bad right before we got all that snow. Bummer.
Sad. Even this one? Because that was the one with the most sap so far. We even lose this one. Oh, a peacock feather. Yeah,
You think that's from a peacock?
I threw that there. Yeah, remember from the peacock?
Probably
We found it.
It looks more like a turkey
threw that
feather.
there.
Somebody hold the door for Eli. Look at those onions. We're gonna need trimming again. You picking spinach? Any carrots coming up? Oh, I see carrots.
What? Yeah. Oh, carrots.
Do you?
Little area.
I just gotta keep them out of there now.
That one? This one. Look at this big one in the water.
Honeybees are drinking off the rock. Mom's recording.
Thanks for watching our day. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Bye.